Imagine this kind of comfort on your period, and that is exactly what the Bella Thermal brings you. With coil heat technology and 3 heat settings, it's guaranteed to soothe your period cramps or your back pain. You have an hour and a half of use if you use the portable battery, or you can plug it into the wall using a USB port. It's soft and flexible, fitting an extra small to a 3XL. When your Bella Thermal arrives, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure to charge the battery. Once the battery is fully charged, connect the USB-C port to the belt and the USB to the battery. Place the battery in the side pocket of the Bella belt, then press the power button for 3 seconds and feel the heat relief. If your battery dies or you don't need a portable option, you can plug it into your computer or you can plug it into the wall using a USB port. With the Bella Thermal, you can experience a natural period relief during your cycle.